Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mavish Khan Sky.
O beloved Prophet, peace be upon you. My heart finds light in loving you. Through silent nights I call your name. Your mercy heals my deepest pain. You are the guide in every way. Your Noor shows me where to stay. In every prayer I feel you near. You calm my soul, you dry my tears. Send blessings, Lord, upon your friend whose love and light will never end. O messenger, my hope, my peace. In your remembrance, fears release. Forever in my heart you stay, and lead my spirit to the way.